Do they not look fantastic right now? Bacon, blue cheese, onions, ground beef, ground pork. We're going to make some killer smash burgers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, today I have another burger for us we're going to make together. It is a mixture of that 93.7 grass-fed beef, and this time I'm using some Hatfield pork, sweet Italian sausage. We're going to go ahead and get the sausage in there first. We're going to mix these two together, drop them right on in. And then to that, I have some, this is Boar's Head blue cheese. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you over here, and I'll show you how we put this together. This is the ground beef, and this is some ground sweet Italian sausage. And in here I have some Boar's Head. It is creamy blue, all natural cheese crumbles, blue cheese crumbles. Got to be good. I love blue cheese. I don't know, we'll put about half of it in there. And these crumbles are pretty big, so I want to go ahead and break them up a little bit. All right, what we're going to do is we're just going to smash it all together. We're going to make some killer smash burgers. Now, guys, if you haven't checked out the video previous to that, I'm going to leave a link for it up here. And I'll leave a link for it in the description below. But where I made those feta burgers, oh, they were good. So now we're going to try some blue cheese. Now, of course, I got some bacon already cooking. We'll go ahead and check that in a minute. Now I want to make these burgers a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make them the size of a, about a large to an extra large meatball. I'll lay them right over there. Get the rest of these done. I am not going to bore you with that. When we come back, we'll have them done. And there they are, all done. Got some onions chopped up. Got the burgers done. Go ahead and get them on the grill. We're going to pull that bacon off now. Alrighty, our bacon is all done. Nice and crispy, just the way I like it. Get a little bit of Earl on the subject. Looking good, looking good. Get yourself a nice press. And you're going to need some parchment paper. We'll take these Goliath. I call them Goliath because they are pretty big. Just sit them right on there. Let them sit for a few minutes. Let them get all nice and happy. We'll turn the heat up a little bit. Now we've got these burgers going here for a few minutes. I have here some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Go ahead and put that right over top of these. A little extra seasoning. I'll get the onions. Take that parchment paper. Lay it on top. And squish. Oh yeah, guys. I wish you can smell that. That smells so. Those burgers are going to be huge. Yes, I know. I sound like Donald Trump. Huge. Well, hey, fun fact, Donald Trump loves burgers. So, hey, Don, if you're watching, come by my house, have a burger. Because these things are going to be epic and huge. Wouldn't it be something if he showed up? Don't worry, buddy, I voted for you. You see those little bits of blue cheese in there? Let's hit that with a little bit more seasoning. Oh, man. They are going to be good. Happy. Got these onions here cooking. I'm going to add some of these onions right on top of here. Right on top of that one. I'm only putting the onions on 2 of the burgers today because we're going to make double smash burgers. A double bacon smash burger with blue cheese. So what you would call that? A double bacon blue cheese smash burger. There you go. Let these crisp up a little bit. We'll flip them over. We'll get the rest of it done. Back in a little bit. Look at the juices coming out of them. Oh, man. All right. Go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, look at the color. Oh, my God. That color looks perfect. Let's see how we're doing on this one. Look at the juices flying out. Oh, juices on that. Oh, yeah. Look at the color, guys. Oh, that blue cheese. That blue cheese is melting perfectly. These are going to be big burgers. That's okay. I have a big mouth. Take that last little bit of blue cheese that you had that you didn't put on or put in the mix, and we're just going to go ahead and put it right on top of that burger. That's going to melt down nicely. I'm telling you, man, it's going to be a blast of good flavor. Go ahead and let these melt down and completely cook, and we'll get this burger put together. But do they not look fantastic right now? Bacon, blue cheese, onions, ground beef, ground pork. How do you say no to that? Hey, by the way, guys, today the buns we're going to be using are from Ballpark. They're called the Tailgaters Crostini buns, and these things are huge. And what better way to go with a huge burger than with some huge buns? Because baby got big buns. And you know, if we're going to be making burgers, we got to toast our buns. Alrighty, guys, we can go ahead and pull these buns off, see how we're doing. Oh, yeah, perfectly toasted. Oh, man, they look, I don't know where to start. They look so, so good. All right, put this one on top of that one. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that cheese. Get some of that crusty cheese, baby. Don't miss that crusty cheese. I'm going to bring you over to the table. We'll plate these burgers up. All right. All right, guys, let's plate these burgers up. Oh, yeah. Whew. They look so, so good. All right, let's flip it around. Oh, man. Okay. So the burger is a little bit bigger than the bun. So what? Who cares? Because you know what they say, size doesn't matter. But that cheese does. Wow. Hey, look, absolutely fantastic. Let's cut this open and see how we did. Look at that cheese. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Just gooing out of there. Perfect. All right, guys. I'm going to bring you back for a taste test. The moment of truth. Let's have a taste test, see how we did. Cheers, everyone. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that is a good burger. It was super hot. But hey, listen, Donald, if you're watching, come on over to Happy Eats and have yourself a delicious double bacon blue cheese smash burger. All right, guys. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.